Hello everyone, hope you are all well. Let us solve a topical question from the topic of inequalities. And this is from your May-June uh, 2003, variant 1, question number 13. And in this question, you have to solve the equation. In this equation, you have to find the value of x. Solve mean find the value of the variable. So in the first step, I'm going to move x plus 1 on the other side of the equation. So it will be multiplied by 4 when I will move this x plus 1 on the right side of the equation. It will be multiplied by 4. So from here 5 is equal to 4 into x is 4x and 4 into 1 is 4. Because we have to find the value of the variable which is x. So we have to isolate the variable. Move this 4 on the other side. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 4x. So 1 is equal to 4x. So x will be equal to 1 by 4. So this is the solution of this equation. X is equal to 1 by 4. Part B of this equation is an inequality. And they are saying that solve means find the value of the variable, and the variable in this question is y. So this y is negative, and because this is negative, I am going to shift this y on the right side of the inequality. So 7 is less than 9 plus y. We are not going to change the sign of inequality. Sign of inequality doesn't changes in this case. It will be only changed once a negative number divides on the other side of the inequality. I have just moved negative y on the other side of the inequality, so it becomes positive y. Now shift this 9 on the left side. So 7 minus 9 is less than y. So minus 2 is less than y. This is the solution for this part B of this question. Y is greater than minus 2, which means that y is greater than minus 2. It will be minus 1, 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, and any number greater than minus 0. Part C is write down the least integer value. Now we have to write the integer value of z for which z is greater than minus 4. If z is greater than minus 4, then can we draw a number line just for the sake of understanding? This is 0, this is minus 1. Okay, let me write down negative number on the left side. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. No, z is greater than minus 4. Z is greater than minus 4. So it can be 3, it can be minus 2, it can be minus 3, it can be minus 2, it can be minus 1, it can be 0. But I mean, all these values are included in Z. All the values on the right side mean greater than minus 4 towards the right. All the values, all the numbers will be included. But they have asked you to write down the least integer value. So least integer when Z is greater than minus 4 is minus 3. So your answer will be for least integer value, Z will be minus 3. So this is the solution of this topical question from the topic of equation and inequalities. Thank you so much.